Hello, children. Today we are going to join a boy named Tom on an exciting adventure in the forest. Are you ready? Tom woke up with excitement bubbling inside him. Today was the day he had been waiting for, the day of his forest adventure. He jumped out of bed, quickly brushed his teeth, and put on his favorite yellow jacket. With his trusty backpack slung over his shoulders, Tom was ready to explore the wonders of the forest. He waved goodbye to his mom and dashed out the door, his heart pounding with anticipation for the adventures that awaited him. As Tom ventured further to explore, he came upon a clearing filled with colorful mushrooms. It was as if he had stumbled upon nature's own art gallery. The young boy was captivated by the riot of colors and carefully examined his surroundings. As Tom ventured further to explore, he came upon a clearing filled with colorful mushrooms. It was as if he had stumbled upon nature's own art gallery. The young boy was captivated by the riot of colors and carefully examined his surroundings. As he continued his journey, Tom came across huge trees with their branches reaching silently into the sky. Tom couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the majesty of nature around him. Tom found a quiet spot in the heart of the forest, where the trees parted to reveal a small clearing. He sat down on a soft patch of moss and watched as the sun began its descent, casting a warm, golden glow over the landscape. The sky transitioned from vibrant orange to a deep purple, and the forest came alive with the sounds of crickets and rustling leaves. After soaking in the serene beauty of the sunset, Tom decided it was time to head home. He followed the familiar trail back, feeling a sense of peace and contentment as he left the tranquility of the woods behind and returned to the comfort of his cozy cabin. The next morning, Tom woke up to a bright and sunny day, perfect for a city ride. He hopped on his bicycle and pedaled through the bustling streets, enjoying the sights and sounds of the city coming to life. He passed by charming cafes, busy markets, and children playing in the parks. The cool breeze and the rhythmic motion of cycling filled him with a sense of freedom. As he weaved through the urban landscape, Tom felt a renewed appreciation for the vibrant energy of the city, savoring each moment of his leisurely ride. Feeling uplifted by his encounter with the friendly cat, Tom decided it was time to head home. He pedaled through the familiar streets, the city's lively ambiance gradually giving way to quieter neighborhoods. The sun was beginning to set, casting a warm, golden hue over everything. As he approached his house, a sense of contentment washed over him. He parked his bicycle and took a moment to appreciate the peacefulness of the evening. Tom entered his home, filled with a deep sense of happiness and gratitude for the simple joys of the day.